setup, which also includes the stock of our piece of timber or what we're going to cut our design out of. So open up Fusion 360. Should look something like this. And currently you've only been working in the design space. And what we're going to do is we're going to change that workspace to manufacturing. So we're stepping away from designing now to the actual manufacturing process. So scroll down to manufacturing. Once this opens up, not much with your screen should change. However, we're going to create a setup. So we're just going to go new setup, and it opens up this box here on the right. We essentially want to work top to bottom and left to right across these tabs when we're in the manufacturing process. So the machine, we don't need to select the machine. If we were using multiple CNC machines, there would be some machines to select from. But since we're just using the one CNC machine, we're fine. We can just leave that for the time being. Okay. The setup we want to do is milling. Okay. However, we want to look at this stock box point. So the box point there is selected, and we essentially want our stock box point to be this point here in the bottom left-hand corner of our design. And then X, Y, and Z is really important. So that's the positioning of the way the router moves on its table. So X needs to be the length of the machine, Y is the width of the machine, and Z, as you should know from your mathematics classrooms, is up and down. Okay, once we've got that done, we can select our body and make sure that the model body is selected. So that'll be over here under models, and make sure that you've got a body selected. Once that's done, we're going to go into stock. So now we're working across the top tabs, and we're going to change this from add stock to top sides and top and bottom to add stock to all sides. And for this project, we want our stock to be 0. So we want our stock to be 0, and then you should be able to do a bit of a double check here that the piece of timber you're cutting is 900 millimeters, it's 90 mil wide, and it's 19 mil high. If you're using a different type of timber or a piece of hardwood or something, this will be a different measurement. But for the most part, most of you are using a bit of 90x19. It's 900 millimeters in length. That's what we want. Pressing OK. That's how we set up our stock, and this is how we do our first setup